Welcome back to LOPO's channel. I'm Zoe, and today we are going to be making oven mitts and pot holders. The oven mitt with rubber patch and pot holder is made of high-quality linen material, the best-selling and most popular product in sublimation. It's durable and sturdy, not easy to get deformed and peeled after long time use. Tear-resistant, scratch-resistant, and machine-washable. The oven mitt and pot holder comes with a non-slip silicone part, and the thicker fabric inside ensures more stability and safety when used. More importantly, it can achieve full printing. So welcome to contact us if you are interested. Okay, now let me show you the supplies for sublimation with you. A heat press machine. Today we are going to use our Galaxy 105 HS to do the demo, and heat-resistant glue, heat-resistant tape, sublimation template, sublimation blanks, and Teflon sheet. Before printing, here are some tips for you. Firstly, please put the rubber patch of oven mitt outside because it can stand very high temperature and pressure. But don't worry, it's still useful to protect you against heat where you are cooking. Secondly, preheating for 5 seconds to remove the moisture and give you a nice printing surface. Thirdly, put the Teflon sheet on both sides before printing, making sure there's no excess ink or anything from the previous application that's going to transfer over to the products and keep the machine clean. Okay, now let's start printing. Put the Teflon sheet on both sides and oven mitt, Teflon sheet. Now let's start preheating for 5 seconds. Okay, time's up. Okay, one thing you should mention is that there are some wrinkles in the oven mitts, so you should make sure there's nothing important in your sublimation templates. Okay, so now let's tape it down well. That's it. The printing temperature and time I set is 250 degrees Celsius for 45 seconds with high pressure. Okay, now let's start printing. And another Teflon sheet. Then I'm going to heat. And I have prepared the heat-resistant glue, and time's up. Let's remove the Teflon sheet and see the amazing result. Okay, let's remove the sublimation template. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, now let's print another side. Okay, now let's start pressing. And please remember that put the rubber patch outside. Okay. And another Teflon sheet. Okay. Now let's pressing. Okay, time's up. Let's remove the Teflon sheet and see the amazing results. Okay, that's so cute. Okay, now let's preheating for 5 seconds. Okay, it's done. Okay, now is a pot holder, and same procedure to tape it. Okay, now let's start printing. Put the Teflon sheet and close. Okay, time's up. Let's see. Okay, remove the sublimation template. Okay, gorgeous. And another template, enjoying baking. I'm going to tape it right here. Okay, now let's start pressing. Okay, time's up. Let's check the printing result. Okay. Enjoy baking, I love it. The leaning pot holder and oven mitt are really practical tools in the kitchen and easy gift to sublimate. And you'll find the link in the description below. I hope you know better about how to print the leaning pot holder and oven mitt. Thank you for watching and see you next time.